Some of these trends may be in your home right now, and if you're planning to sell, buyers are absolutely noticing them. This isn't about judging your taste, this is about what buyers are quietly saying after they leave the showing. Some of these trends may be sitting in your home right now, and if you're planning to sell in Westchester, Dutchess, or Putnam, buyers may be reacting to them before they ever say a word. Today, we're counting down 10 home trends Hudson Valley buyers are getting tired of, plus 3 things buyers are responding to really well right now. I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and I help buyers and sellers throughout New York's Hudson Valley region. Quick note before we start, if you love any of these in your own home, that's completely fine. It's your home, live in it the way that makes you happy. This video is specifically for sellers who want to know what may affect first impressions, showing feedback, and buyer confidence. Number 10, gray everything. Gray floors, gray walls, gray cabinets, gray tile. A few years ago, gray felt clean and modern. Now in a lot of homes, buyers read it as cold. The issue isn't one gray wall, the issue is when the whole house feels like a cloudy Tuesday in February. If you're selling, the fix may be as simple as warming up the paint palette. Warm whites, soft taupes, natural wood, and muted greens tend to feel more inviting. Before painting, talk with your agent about what fits your home, price point, and market. Moral of the story, warmth is beating cold neutrality. Number 9, vessel sinks. These are the bowl sinks that sit on top of the counter. They can look sculptural, but buyers often go straight to the practical question: is this annoying to use? They splash, they can be awkward to clean around, and if the bathroom already feels tight, they call attention to the fact that form won over function. If you have one, it may not be worth replacing in every case, but know this, buyers notice it. Buyers want bathrooms to feel easy, not fussy. 8, barn doors in private spaces. A barn door on a pantry? Maybe. A barn door on the primary bathroom? That's where buyers start making faces. The concern is privacy, sound, and quality. In many homes, these doors feel more like a design moment than a functional door. If it leads to a bathroom or bedroom, consider whether a real door would make the home feel more practical. Privacy still matters. Number 7, open shelving overload. Open shelving photographs beautifully when every plate matches and nobody actually cooks. In real life, shelves collect dust, grease, random mugs, and the one water bottle everyone refuses to throw away. If you have open shelves, edit them heavily before showings. Less is more. Keep it clean, simple, and intentional. A little display can work. A whole kitchen of open shelves doesn't. 6, all-white kitchens with no warmth. White kitchens aren't automatically bad. A well-done white kitchen can still look timeless. The issue is when everything's white. Cabinets, counters, backsplash, walls, lighting, and there's no texture or warmth anywhere. Add wood tones, softer lighting, warmer hardware, or a little contrast. You don't always need a remodel, sometimes you just need balance. White needs warmth to feel livable. Number 5, popcorn ceilings. This one isn't trendy anymore, and buyers still react strongly to it. Popcorn ceilings make many homes feel older, and buyers immediately think about removal, mess, and cost. If you're planning to sell, this is worth discussing before you list. Don't DIY something that may need professional handling. Ask the right pros first. Just know ceiling texture can become a negotiation point. 4, shiplap everywhere. One accent wall can be charming. Shiplap on every surface starts to feel like the house is wearing a costume. In the Hudson Valley, authentic character is valuable. Original beams, millwork, plaster, stone, and older home details can be wonderful. But trend-added character is different from real character. Keep the authentic, edit the overdone. Number 3, fully open floor plans with no quiet space. Open concept isn't dead, but the universal obsession has cooled. Buyers still like connection between kitchen, dining, and living areas, but they also want a door somewhere. A home office, den, guest room, or flexible space matters more now. If your home is wide open, stage a defined work zone or quiet corner. Buyers want openness plus options. Number 2, oversized kitchen islands. A huge island looks impressive until everyone is sidestepping around it like airport security. Flow matters. If the dishwasher, refrigerator, oven, and seating all fight each other, buyers feel it during the showing. Bigger isn't always better, better is better. Kitchen flow beats kitchen size. And number 1, style that creates maintenance anxiety. This is the big one. Buyers are pushing back on anything that looks like constant upkeep. High maintenance counters, fussy bathrooms, hard to clean glass, overly delicate finishes. Complicated outdoor spaces that look expensive to maintain. Buyers aren't just asking, is this beautiful? They're asking, what is this going to ask of me every weekend? The best features look good and live well. 3 trends buyers are liking. First, warm natural color interiors, wood texture, soft neutrals, earth tones. Second, multifunctional rooms, office plus guest space, gym plus storage, finished lower level plus media area. And third, intentional outdoor living. Not necessarily expensive, just clean, usable, and easy to imagine. If this helped, watch What to Fix Before Selling Your Hudson Valley Home next, because that video breaks down what's worth doing and what may not be. And if you want my honest read on what your home needs before listing, book a consult through the link in the description and pinned comment.